We're doing Lot 47 BTM sale, the Koan Lathe. Gonna run through some feeds and speeds here. Got it in high range, 840. We got the carriage feeding. We got good ways, depth machine. Let's engage the cross slide. Cross slide is engaged. Waves look good there. All right. Let's go to low speed. Let's drop it into the low speed range, see what it sounds like. $65, yeah, that's low speed, all right. Wow, she's nice and quiet. Let's do one more speed and high. Let's go back to just a quick run into one of the higher speeds, maybe 1,000, see what it sounds like up there. Going for broke. Nice quiet machine. Perfect. All right. It's a good lathe.
I really think it is.
It's got a lot of nice tooling with it too. Nice machine.